All right, welcome back. So in this video, it's another Carnegie Mellon. This one happens to do gears. And we can see we have the gears right here. And if we look at our solution and run that, they move. This gear rotates this direction, so clockwise. And these two actually rotate counterclockwise. So something to keep in mind as we're working through this. So we have big gears, medium gears, and small gears. So this obviously is probably the big gear. And all the code's kind of done for us above here, which is really kind of nice. And we just have to type in what's down here in the function or the draw loop. So it says rotate the gears by changing their rotate angle. Hint. Notice the direction each gear is rotating in. So this one's clockwise, these ones are counterclockwise. Or I guess you could say rotating kind of to the right. This one's to the left and to the left if you want to look at it that way. The smallest gear rotates twice as fast as the larger one. So this one rotates twice as fast as what this does. And then it says place your code here. Okay, so first thing, let's go ahead and tackle the big gear. And what we're going to do is we're looking at rotation. So rotate angle. So what we want to do is we want to have the rotate angle change each time it goes through. Okay, so basically we want it to increment or go up, or maybe not go up. We want it to change by a certain number each time it goes. Okay, so the way we do that is we do big gear, and we're going to do big gear rotate, just like this. So we're saying whatever the previous rotation angle is, we want that number, and then we're going to, I think we're going to add one, see if that's the correct thing. And if it is, then we know that these will be subtract. Okay? So let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay, so if we run this, let's go to look at our canvas, and there we go. Okay, so it's rotating. You know, if we would have changed this number, and let's say it would have been 3. Okay? We can run that, and you can see that's way too fast for what we need. I think 2 is even probably too fast if we look at the solution. Yeah, it's much slower. Okay, so 1 it is. Yep, those look correct to me. So now that we have the big gear done, let's go ahead and work on the medium gear. Now, because this was +1 and it's rotating this way, let's try -1. And there we go. That's working perfect. And if we look at our solution, same thing. And notice what they said here is the smallest gear rotates twice as fast as the larger one. So when is the larger one to what it is? So here. Which I guess is rotating twice as fast as the big gear as well. So now, I'm going to go ahead and stop that. I'm going to do small gear. And because it's going twice as fast, let's do 2. Okay, so now, sorry I didn't have that down there. So now small gear dot rotate angle equals small gear dot rotate angle -2. And that will cause this to rotate faster. And you can see it kind of incrementing each time. You can see the rotation angles. So now if we run this, there's our canvas, and there's the solution. And those look identical to me. So that's how that works here is big gear, and then you got to affect the rotate angle, and we're going to say +1, and then these are -1 and -2 because we need them to rotate this direction. All right, hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.